Alright, boys, let's continue off from where we left off, shall we? Alright. Where are we going from here? Oh shit, another secret. Alright, we got another save. Oh. Okay. How do I do this? I'm a fucking pro, bro. Fuck you, you fucking testicles. Oh shit. So far this game is really good, bro. I would say this game they definitely did a good job. They definitely put work into this game. What happens if I drop down? Okay, I can jump down. I can stand on this? Can I wall jump? Nope. Just getting health where it is. Spirit gate blocks us. Okay, so I guess we can get spirit keys. How the hell do I do that? I gotta go back over here? It's not just here. Shift grab. Wait. Shift. Okay. Ah, there's a key right there. Bitch. Fucking cake. Ah, fuck. Fuck. What? Didn't I kill you before? What the hell? Oh my god. There's another key. Word? Oh my god. Okay. Which way do I go? Up? Hollow. Am I? I'm trying to go here, ain't I? Fucking monkey boy. Fuck out of here. Give me your money. What is that? Also those things. Guess I can't destroy that yet. What the hell? These monkeys think they own the place, yo. I'm gonna show you who daddy is. Oh my god. Now I can't even get up there. Let's check the map. Did anything change the map? Oh yeah, marks progress. That's good. A life cell. Oh, where it gives you an extra life, basically, or like an extra health slot. I think that's what it did. You going up here then? You guys are so annoying. Dude, just look at this artwork. It's so nice. Fuck you. Guess I go straight. Nope. Yeah, no keys to go down then. Oh, that was really loud. Whoa. Those things are something. What the hell? Like some type of STD was laid around here, yo. Okay. How do I get up there? What's that thing, yo? I guess we're going this way. Oh! Got to go this way. Whoa! Oh shit. Ha! You know what, let's explore the other direction first before I go up there. I feel like I'm just gonna die. music's so nice. They did a good job. Oh my god. Taking damage like a freaking scrub. Ooh, there's health right there. Yeah. Whoa! What happened there? It's like, oh my god, so much STDs. How do I? Is that me? That was me. Is this a spirit tree? It looks pretty small, dude. I'm guessing that STDs were their foe and they didn't have the medicine, so they all got gonorrhea and died. Come closer, let it feel you. You've learned a new. Ooh, I got wall jump now. Word. Oh, okay, okay. Energy cell. Okay, I like this. Thanks, tree. Oh, what the? Okay. Help, give me help. Yeah, you give me help. Ow, dude. Ooh. Kill him. Let's see if I get up here. I guess the only way to go now is that direction that I. How do I get up there though? That's where I want to go. Oh my god, they respawn. That's so annoying. Oh wait, if I didn't have the wall jump, I don't think I would have been able to go here. Or maybe I would have. I don't know. How do I do this? Oh, wait. Oh my god, that does a lot of damage. Can I go through this? Okay, I can. Wait! Don't hit me, please. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh! I'm gonna save. Right here. E to access. Oh, what is? Whoa! I upgraded something without me even knowing. Good job, Aaron. Allows you to shoot 3 flames before recharging. What? How do you do that? Okay. Spear magnet. Most. Can I upgrade another one of these? Increases your strength of spirit. I like cooldown reduction. Enjoy me some cooldown reduction. Come little buddy. Ooh, wait, I'm sorry. Oh, my flames do more damage? So let's see. Huh. Yeah. Get wrecked, bro. Friggin' scrub. A mapstone fragment. Ooh, don't hit that. Guess we gotta go back. Which way did I come from? I'm pretty sure I did this way. Which way? It's like breaking stuff in this game. Was this... What? Where's the other one, dude? I just... Oh my god. I guess I'm going down. Go down! Oh, we gotta hit space. Oh god. Please don't do that. Don't pop your stuff at me. Friggin' pus. From your gonorrhea. Create charts. Force nipple. Okay. Let me repair you, bro. Oh, that was the thing I needed. Okay, okay. I guess this is the other stone fragment I needed too. See, I knew I had to do that all along. I knew it all along. Soul Link is ready. What's the Soul Link again? Oh, that's that thing. Okay. Now I can open this? Yes, sir. Let me through. Look how cute Ori is. He's adorable. Where did I go on from here? What the hell is this? Alright. Alright, I got this. I got this. I got this. Oh my god. What the hell? Can I hit this thing? I can't. Okay, I'm sorry. Wait. Take a break. Come on. Wait. I got this. Okay. Wait. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna save right here. Okay. This could tend to be difficult. Please stop. Okay. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. Saving right there. Okay. My blood pressure. This one's shooting so fast. What? I didn't even... Ah! Wait. Stop. Wait, no! Are you joking me? This one's like on friggin' steroids. Why is this one going so fast? How do I do this? Okay. I do this. Then wait for it. Alright. Now, go. Wait. How are you supposed to do this one, dude? Oh my god. Wait. Got it. Friggin' got it, dude. I'ma save. Wait, I can't save. Are you choking me? I hope I don't die. What is this? How do I get to that? What do I do now? Oh! Are you fucking joking me? Fuck boy, ain't getting me with that again. Can I save that? You should. Yeah. I'm gonna go this way. Wait. Okay, hold on. Wait, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to take damage. I thought I could do that all strategic like. Guess I was wrong. Do I need to get to that? I do. Yeah, like that. Okay. Put. Too good. Let me do. Whoa. Oh, that's so nice. This shit's fucking huge. What do I do with this? Achievement? The Ancient Bank.
And the Ori that
There's a lot of Oris, yo. Or bunnies, whatever they are. What the fuck? Kuru. That bird's name is Kuru. That was crazy. Balanced. Okay. This game is so nice. Okay. Objective. Okay, now I can do this. What? I don't got no abilities. Okay. Where to now? Dude, that cutscene is so nice. Can I go through here? Nope. Where am I supposed to go? Hollow Grove. Oh, that's not. The ground is unstable. So I'm guessing if I stand on that, I can or do that. Here comes more STDs. There's no way I could do this, right? If I go down here, will I die? Don't think so. Oh my god. Well, that happened. Yeah, the ground's unstable. Yeah, bitch, I know. Let's be careful doing this. Okay. Where are we going? Oh, there's a level right there. Well, that lowered that. Oh, you can't. Gotta go from where it came from, I guess. Wait, can I? Yeah, I can. Okay. Wall jump for the win. Oh my god. It moves? That's disgusting. What? What? Oh no, I don't want any. Stop. Is that a thing that I can pick up? It is. That thing breaks into more STDs as we go along. Hey. No, I can't even get up there. Huh. Yeah. You ain't getting me. I word protection. Can I hit that from there? Can't. Ow, how did I get hit? How am I getting hit? Oh god. There's so many of them. Oh my. Thank you. Wait. You gained an ability point created solely by tapping E. I don't want to save though. Let's find a good place to save and then I'll save. Ow, what? Get out of here. That monkey's down there, isn't it? Go that way. Oh, there's another one of these things. This dude's voice. Can I do that thing? You've won Charge Flame. To use this ability, hold. Oh, okay. I guess when you hold it. Oh, there we go. That motherfucking Kamehameha, bitch. Oh, I can break these things now. Okay. Ooh, what is that? Wait, maybe I have to start this. Yeah, that's how you do it. Should I go back up to where that thing was? Maybe we should. Let's go that way. Oh, wait. God. Let's go down. Actually, this doesn't look... Oh my god, that wouldn't die. Okay. Wait. Guess you want us to go up? Okay. Guess you can't go down there. Come on, charge it. Oh, this leads back to that. Okay. Let's go back up here then. Yeah, we have to go back on top. Good thing I noticed that. Map awareness. It's so hard not to get lost in this map. There's so many like possibilities that you can go. Let's see if we do this thing. That thing is there again. Oh my god. This game. There's so many of them, dude. No! You gotta be joking me. Huh. Yeah, there we go. So many. Oh my god. They make that so hard. No. That's so dope. What the hell is that? Dude, those spider webs look so cool. Look how they move. Alright. I guess we're going out. Press to open energy. I'm pressing. Oh god, that was disgusting. The way it moved. Huh. You could actually climb on this. I'm done. That's disgusting. but can I make that jump is the question. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. I think I have to go down. Oh god. Well then. That was not what to do. Maybe I should have saved. That would have been pretty nice. Let's forget all these things. Go back to where we were. But let's not fuck up the second time. That'd be pretty good. Oh my god. Okay. So the obvious answer is to save and not to go down there. Is there a way to go down here without dying? No, I don't think so. Oh, this is gonna be obnoxious. Makes most on the map. That's pretty dope. Oh my god. Come on, you can do it. Wait, Ori, don't do it. Don't commit suicide on me. So what do we do here? There's no way you can... Oh, I'm dumb. Now hold. Come on. Oh, I don't have enough energy things. Oh no. That's what you need energy for. Yeah, I need to go. Give me your energy. Thank you. Messed up. Oh my god. This is so frustrating. Now I know what to do. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta get this thing. Give me yo. Oh. I think I saved. Oh man, I almost got that without you. What? There's no way I jumped back into that. There. Oh, I have more life now. Thank you, game. Wait, so you're telling me I didn't even need to go down here? Are you? No, this game is something else. Okay. Going down, I guess. Ooh. Okay, be careful. Okay, be careful. Up. Where to now? I guess so. I got enough souls. Or energy shards. At that. Nope, still can't open that. Oh, God. Wait, no, I need to go there. Kill yourself. Wait, I need to get that again since I didn't save? Oh, no. Okay, got that. Second time's always easier. Oh, God. No. I'll die. No. Oh, my God. This is crazy. Well, I'm gonna leave this episode off from right here. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.